Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to create a digital wallet. Head over to MetaMask, download the extension for your browser, and set up your account by creating a strong password and backing up your seed phrase. Don't share this with anyone. Step 2. Next, connect your wallet to OPENSEA. Go to OPENSEA.io, click the wallet icon in the top right, select MetaMask, and approve the connection when prompted. This lets OPENSEA access your wallet info. Step 3. Now prepare your NFT artwork. You can use any digital file like a PNG, JPEG, GIF, or MP4. Make sure your file size is under 100 megabytes and save it somewhere you can easily find it. Step 4. Create a new collection on OPENSEA. Click Create in the top menu, select Create a collection, fill in your collection name, description, and image, then save your collection details. Step 5. Finally, upload your NFT file to your collection. Click Create an item, select your collection, upload your artwork file, add a title and description, set it to free minting, then click Create. Your NFT is now live on the blockchain without spending a dime.